Hey, this is Jonathan with the PyCalendar team, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a brand new feature available in PyCalendar Pro version 1.3.4. And that is the ability to set a new time inside of your recurrence rules for posts later in your recurrence. So what do I mean by that? Well, if we take a look at the example on the screen here, I have some events that are repeating every Monday, and those are happening at 5 p.m. consistently every week. But let's suppose there's a Monday holiday, like for example, today, February 10th. You want to black out this meeting so it doesn't appear, and you want to move it to Wednesday at 5 p.m. Well, that wasn't possible before, but now we have the ability to set a new time for that specific recurrence. So let me show you what I mean. In the back end of the post, I'll click on my weekly meeting here, and then we'll just take a look quickly at the main controls. We've enabled the show on calendar toggle. We've set the start date to February 3rd at 5 p.m. for our recurrence rules. Rule number 1 here is just set as a regular recurrence rule to repeat every 1 week. And then let's say we want to add a blackout date. So all we need to do is say February 10th, which is today. And then our add rule, we're going to go down here to another one for rule 3, and we're going to choose single recurrence. So this looks pretty similar to how it did before. And let's say we want this weekly meeting again to appear on Wednesday, February 12th, but we wanted it to appear at 9 a.m., not the regular meeting time for this one, which was happening at 5 p.m. Now you can see we have this set new time toggle here, which we can turn on. And this gives us the ability to type in a new time for this specific recurrence. So we'll just do 9 a.m. here. Let's go ahead and save this. And then when we refresh, we're going to see this event disappear and our Wednesday one pop up. And just like we expected, that's exactly what happens. Now, this gives you tons of flexibility to reuse the same post, but have it appear in different places around your calendar that don't necessarily tie into one recurrence rule. To make sure you're aware, you can add as many recurrence rules as you want. So if you had a bunch of cases where you needed a totally different day, let's say Thursday the 20th, and you needed this one to happen at, let's say, something like 3 p.m., for example, we can just do save. Then we'll go ahead and just refresh our calendar view here. And there's our additional rule here at 3 p.m. The rest of our recurrences are unaffected. This new feature should give you a lot of extra functionality when it comes to building out your calendar exactly in the way that you need to. We hope that this helps, and let us know if you have any other questions. Thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Jonathan with the PyCalendar team, and I'll see you in the next one.